व्हिडिओ नाही
ठीक मजेत. छान झालं कालचं. कालचं मस्त झालं.
काय दुखताय?
हो
माझे पण दुखतायत.
नाही पण छान झालं.
सगळ्यांबरोबर जोश मध्ये होतं ना.
हो नाही
इंटेन्सिटी मी करते.
हा नाही छान झालं.
बाकी जास्त त्रास नाही होता ना एक्सरसाइजचा?
नाही नाही मला सवय आहे. मला नाही अजून घेतलं तरी चालेल, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. बाकीचे मारतील.
हो बाकीचे ऐक मला म्हणतील अपूर्वा बास झालं.
नाही नाही.
कसं फील होतं?
सांगणार की गेलेच की कुठेतरी. हात नाही लावायचा त्याला, मागे या.
हात नाही लावत आहे. इथे गेली आहे. मी तुझ्या बरोबर करू शकतो. आता नाही करू. मला नाही येणार. तुला नाही
बसायचं.
काय करायचं?
आता नाही बसायचं. सांगणार.
दीदी टीव्हीने व्हिडिओ ऑफ केला.
Was everyone's day today?
हॅपी पोळा.
माय गॉड हे काय असतं?
अरे आज पोळा फेस्टिवल आहे आमच्याकडे.
हे पण करायचं. बाय कुठला पोळा? बाई
हा बैलपोळा. तर आमच्याकडे आता 5:30ला जेवायला बसले. म्हणजे फुल पूर्णाचा स्वयंपाक असतो. तर मग मला आता योगा करायचं म्हणून मी जेवले नाही. मग मी योगा झाल्यावर मग जेवणार.
गुड गर्ल. कशी करून खाणारच आहे मी.
पण मी आज भगर खाल्लेली, 1 ऍपल आणि 2दा ब्लॅक टी पिला. मला असं छान वाटत आहे.
ओके.
म्हणजे आता माझ्या काय
वाटत असेल.
काय
लाईट यू मस्ट बी फीलिंग लाईट.
हो पण आता पोटात गुळगुळ होते माझं. मी वेट करते आता 8 कधी वाजते.
चालू झाल्यावर यू विल नॉट रिअलाइज की 7:30 वाजलेत की 8 वाजले.
म्हणजे मी इतका कंट्रोल कधीच केला नाही खाण्यावर जितका आज केला. मला खायचं नाहीये, मी नंतर खाणार. म्हणजे असं मलाच फील होत होतं की मला किती, म्हणजे मी किती डेडिकेशन देते.
डेडिकेशन विल हेल्प, रिझल्ट मिळतील. सो बी पॉझिटिव्ह.
मला तर घरी म्हणतात की आताच जाणवते म्हणून तुझ्यात की हा प्रोसेस मध्ये सुरू झालाय कमी व्हायच्या.
ठीक आहे, चलो. ऑलरेडी 1 minute. लेट्स स्टार्ट. आज पण थोडस HIIT पहिल्यांदा घेणार आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर मग we'll do Surya Namaskar and Pranayam. Maybe we will take one Pranayam technique today. Turn yourself on speaker view so that you all will only see me. Yes. Let's start with warm up, neck rotation. Keep your hands in the waist. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now neck up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now move your neck on the right and press it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Just move your shoulders up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now relax your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch your palms on the shoulder, fingers on the shoulders, and here we'll inhale and exhale back. Inhale, exhale back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now move your shoulders up and down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hip rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now, with the inhale, you'll take both your hands up and you'll exhale at left. Completely give a nice stretch to your right side. Stay. 1, 2. Do not bend forward or backward. Make sure you're completely straight and bending on the left side. Inhale, come up. Be here. Again, take one deep breath in. And exhale on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, come up. And relax. Now, take 1 feet distance in your legs. Inhale and exhale down. Now from here, you inhale and start making a circle from your right side. Inhale, exhale back, exhale, down, inhale, and come up. Let's do it together. One more time. Inhale and exhale down. Exhale completely from left side. Now inhale, exhale back, exhale down, inhale, come up. Relax. Now let's do cross legs. Take more than hip width distance in your legs. Slowly go down and slowly keep your right palm on your left leg and just take your left hand up and stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, check. On the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, check. Relax. Slowly reduce the distance and come up. Okay, take your right leg ahead and foot rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Take your left leg ahead. Foot rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Foot up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now, the thing that we'll be doing is lateral arm circles. So these are lateral arm circles. Now with this, we will take our each leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this will be the intensity. Let's do it slow for the first round. Let's do it together. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just be there and we'll move in the opposite direction. Okay? Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are still at the slow intensity. Come on, do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax your arms. Keep your both palms beside you. Take a nice long deep breath in and release. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Now 3 exercises we'll be doing. So first is jump at the running at the place. So this is one. Second is high knees. So running at the place we all will do together, irrespective of the intensity. Now the second is high knees. So all of them who are regular exercises, who are doing regular exercise, so what they will do is they will increase the intensity like this. They will jump. Beginners, keep it slow like this, one by one. And the third exercise is again will burn your thighs. So it is just go on squat, run, and tap. Now we should tap on our toes and not on the heels, or we should not keep our legs like this. We are on the toes. Okay? Let's do it together. I will set the timer. Each exercise for 1 minute each, and then 15 seconds break. Okay, first running at the place. Let's do it. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just warm your body up. Warm up your body. You can still come on your toes. Nice and strong. Keep your back straight. Back straight. Not lean forward. Back straight. You can move on your left. Just for fun. Come straight. Move on your right. 15 seconds to go. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. Just take deep breaths. And 15 seconds break. Relax yourself. Keep moving, keep marching if you want. 5. High knees. 3, 2, 1. And start. 1, 2. Beginners, keep it slow like this. Keep it slow. ज्यांना कोणाला त्रास झालाय काल एक्सरसाइजचा, keep it slow. Rest. Jump. Come on. We are halfway there, halfway to go. Come on. Fifteen seconds more. Just be there. Weight loss पाहिजे ना, lower body कमी करायची आहे ना. Move faster now. Last 10 seconds. Move, move, move. Come on. Last 10 seconds. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Relax. 15 seconds break.
Hi guys.
Okay, mute yourself, please. Yes. Now, the third and last exercise. Squat and just move. So, let's start. Now here, you are bending in your knees, okay? 8 counts here, 8 counts out. Come on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In. 1. Halfway. Halfway there. Almost 20 seconds only. Out. Don't stop. Don't stop. Last 10 seconds. In. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. 1 minute break. You can have a quick sip of water if you want. Just relax your body. If your body is warmed up and you feel that you are still okay, you can just keep marching. Keep marching. Now, while you are on your break, I will show you the next exercises. So the next 3 exercises are mountain climbers. So we again have some variations in this mountain climbers. All the beginners just do this. 1, 2, 3. Maybe you can just cross your legs like this. 1, 2. Make sure your hip is not like this. In downward dog posture, you are on the plank and doing this. Rest. Faster. Intensity should be fast. Okay. Maybe in 1 minute you will give me 60 steps back and forth. The second exercise is you'll come on your arms, elbows. If you want, you can take yoga mat here and we'll just jump. Okay. Now for beginners, you can just keep your leg one by one out and one by one in. Out, in, out, in. The rest will do this. Okay. And the third last thing is we'll stay here in plank for maybe 1 minute. As per the intensity, we will do the exercises. Now I guess everyone is back. If you want, you can just keep your yoga mat in front of you so that you can just quickly move your elbows on the mat whenever needed. Okay, let's start with the first exercise, mountain climbers. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Start. Beginners, take it slow, one by one. Rest, fast. Come on. Give me minimum 60 of these. 60 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds to go. Come on, continue. If you're tired, just reduce the intensity, but keep moving. Keep moving. Last 10 seconds to go. Fast. Come on. Give me last 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop. Relax. Keep your knees down and just relax there for 15 seconds. And your 15 seconds starts now. Just stay there. Be relaxed. I know everybody would be sweating. That's okay. All the beginners, take it slow. Whoever are on their periods, take it slow. Okay, we are done with 15 seconds. Now, second is plank jump. Come on the plank. Now, one by one, jump. 1, 2, 3. Connect your core. Keep your tummy tucked in. Put पूर्णपणे हात ओढून घ्या and keep doing. Beginners, one by one, one by one. Rest, jump. Come on, jump. You're halfway there. Already halfway done. Come on, start. Fast. Faster. Last 20 seconds. Your arms would feel the burn today. Your complete body is resting on your elbows and arms. Last 10 seconds. Fast. Come on. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Keep your knees down and relax. Relax. Your heart rate is already at maybe, my heart rate is around 107. Still, we need to improve in all the cardio exercises. Our heart rate should reach minimum of 135 beats per minute. So this is still slow, but it's okay. We are new. We all are new. Now we are done with 15 seconds break. Let's do plank. All the beginners who are not used to do planks, you can stay as much as you can in the plank posture. Rest. Try to be in the plank posture for complete 1 minute. Okay? Let's do it. Let's start. Be there. Tuck your tummy in. Make your posture right. Keep your bum down. In line. Tuck your tummy in completely. This will improve your strength and will help you reduce your tummy also. Okay? Just stay for a few seconds more. You can play around with your arms. You can keep your palms down or you can keep them round, whichever is comfortable. Only 20 seconds more. Be there. Come on, we all are strong. Let's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Keep your knees down and relax. Just a few breaths here. And we'll do Surya Namaskars now. So our body is completely warmed up now. If you want, you can have a sip of water. What we'll do is just remove your shoes, take a quick break, and we'll do Surya Namaskars at the faster pace today. So 7 Surya Namaskars, out of which 6 will be at faster rate. That is, I will be counting and everyone will be doing it. And only one last Surya Namaskar will hold each posture for 5 seconds. Okay? I checked the recordings, yesterday's recording. Everybody has done Surya Namaskar wonderfully. I think सबको समझा है कि कैसे करना है. Everybody was doing it right. I'm very happy about it. Okay? So just take off your shoes and quickly come on the mats. Everyone had a sip of water? Good. So, Surya Namaskars. Let's start. Feet joined, thighs contracted completely, back straight, tummy completely tucked in. Look straight, hands to your chest. Take a nice long deep breath in and go back. 3. Exhale, come down. 4. Ashwasanchalan. 5. Dandasan. 6. Ashtanga Namaskar. 7. Bhujangasan. 8. Parvatasan. 9. Right leg ahead. Ashwasanchalan. 10. Other leg ahead. Inhale, back bending. And exhale. Inhale, go back. 3. Forward fold. 4. Ashwasanchalan. 5. Dandasan. 6. Ashtanga Namaskar. 7. Bhujangasan. 8. Parvatasan. 9. Ashwasanchalan. 10. Uttanasana. 11. Back bend. And 12. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, go back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last one at the faster pace. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax. Take your hands on the sides and just take a nice long deep breath in and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One last time, inhale and exhale. One last Surya Namaskar. We'll hold each posture for 5 seconds. Come into the posture, feet joined, thighs contracted, shoulders rolled back, back straight, spine straight. Take a nice long deep breath in and go back. 1, 2, 3. With every breath, try to go down as much as you can. 3, slowly come down. Try to touch your palms on the ground now. And head to knee, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg back and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other leg back. Connect your core completely tight. Palms pressing on the ground. Look straight, look strong. 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch your knees, forehead and chest to ground. Elbows touching your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slide and come up. Roll your shoulders back. Push them down and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8, Parvatasana. Touch your heels on the ground and again tuck your tummy in. Stay, look at your navel. 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg ahead between the palms and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other leg ahead and again try to touch your head to knee. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, back bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, namaste. Relax your body. Let's do Shavasana for some time. Completely rest your back on the ground. Keep comfortable distance in your legs. Palms open to sky. Fingers naturally curled. Close your eyes and just relax your body. Try to breathe normal. Consciously relax all the muscles. Pay attention to your feet. Just relax them. Your calf muscles might pain today. So just extend your legs. Extend your foot maybe like this. And just relax your calf muscles. Relax your knees. Just contract your knee muscles and release them. Consciously relax all the muscles there. Contract your thigh muscles and release. Now, just contract your hip. Just squeeze as much as you can. Keep it squeezed there for some time. Just squeeze it nicely. And release. Let's do this one more time. Just squeeze your hip, squeeze your butt, all the muscles, nice and strong. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze tight. And release. Relax your lower abdomen. Release all the stress from the stomach. Relax the stomach muscles. Relax your chest. Relax your hands, elbows, forearms, palms, and fingers. Relax the whole hand. Maybe you can just move your fingers a little. Relax your shoulders. Relax your neck. Relax your face, face muscles. You can make funny faces, nobody is seeing you. That is best exercise for your face. Relax your forehead and top of the crown, top of the head. Just relax your complete body. Gently you can open your eyes and look at me for the next posture that we will be doing. You have to lie on your stomach. Just lie on your stomach. Now, whoever are on their periods, they should not do this asana, or maybe if I am doing it for 30 seconds, then they can just take it light, be there and just do it for 10 seconds. Okay? Just a minute. I cannot see you all. Yes. So lie down on your stomach. The asana that we are doing is Shalabhasan. This is the best exercise to release all the gases from your stomach. Constipation issues will be resolved and all the digestion problems will be resolved. So your palms you're keeping them like this towards your knees, facing towards your knees, chin on the ground, placed on the ground. And with the inhale, we'll just take one leg up, right leg up till the thighs. So you are taking it just up till the thighs, extending your leg and keeping your thighs muscles contracted. Okay? And then we will do it with the other leg. Similar thing. Okay? Keep your palms on the ground, chin on the ground, placed on the ground. Now we will inhale, the chin will remain on the ground and we'll just take our right leg up. Inhale up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, keep your leg down. Breathe normal. In any of the asanas, do not hold your breath. Keep breathing normal. That is must thing you should remember whenever you're doing yogasana. Do not hold your breath. Now, we'll do the same thing with our left leg. Take a nice breath in. Inhale and take your left leg up. 1, 2. Now, once you are in the asana, try to breathe normal. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Take a few breaths here. This is Ardha Shalabhasana. Now we'll take both legs up and we'll stay here. Okay? Same posture. Keep your chin on the ground, palms pressing on the ground. With the inhale, take your both legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Relax. Now you can keep your palms one on another and just relax. While you're relaxing, I will show you the next asana. This is called Dhanurasana. We'll fold our legs one by one. Grab the ankle, both the ankles, and we'll just stretch with the inhale. We'll stretch our hands with your legs. So you will move your legs back, due to which you will feel stretch on your shoulders. So I'm demonstrating it first. Have a look. With the inhale, stretch. Once you are here, you will keep your breathing normal. And while leaving this asana, just leave your legs down, exhale and keep your forehead down. Okay? We'll do this for 15 seconds again. Grab your ankle. Touch your forehead on the ground. With the inhale, stretch your legs back and move upwards. Stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take your hands ahead and just relax. So this asana will also help you to your lower back and shoulders. You will feel complete stretch on your frontal body, like your tummy, your front thighs, and you will feel at your back as well. Let's do one more time. Fold your legs. Grab your ankles. Just stretch yourself up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch as much as you can. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Release. Release your legs and just relax. Just rest yourself here. Once your breathing is normal, you can come and sit in Vajrasan. So today we are taking more of Yogasanas, and maybe we will also take one pranayam technique. Sit in Vajrasan like we did yesterday. Left hand and on the back and your right hand on it. Again, whoever was not there yesterday, I'm just demonstrating. Have a look. You'll inhale, and while exhaling, you slowly go down. Exhale completely and just stay here for few seconds. While coming out of this asana, just inhale, come up and release. Okay, let's do this. Your left hand first on your back, right hand above it. Take a nice long deep breath in and slowly exhale and go down. Exhale is must. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale and come up. Relax. So we are pressing. So what happens in this asana is we are pressing our ovaries. So whoever has periods irregularities or periods issues, all will be sorted out slow, like one by one, step by step. All these things will happen. But whenever you are having like कम flow होता है जिनका या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा भी flow होता है, so that will be regularized with this asana. If you are in periods and you are still doing it, you will feel relaxed on your lower abdomen. And जिनको भी lower abdomen का problem है, lower abdomen बहुत ज़्यादा दुखता है, so they can still do it in the morning, empty stomach. वो बहुत ज़्यादा effective है. You can try it. Okay. Now the next mudra, Vajrasan mudra 2, is you have to make a feast of your hands. Feast of your hands. Keep it on your lower abdomen. Okay, keep them on your lower abdomen. And again, inhale. And while exhaling, go down. You will feel the pressure on your lower abdomen and try to touch your head on the ground. And then stay here. Now, while coming up, inhale and come up. Now, there is one more technique to it. If you are not comfortable making your feast and keeping on your lower abdomen, कभी-कभी लोगों को pressure बहुत ज़्यादा आता है यहाँ पे bladder पे. So what you can also do is keep your left hand on your in the middle of your lower abdomen, right hand above it, and same inhale and go down. Make sure you are exhaling while you're going down. Otherwise, पेट में गैस पक्का होगा. Okay? While coming up, inhale and come up. Okay, let's do this now. Whichever is comfortable, your feast, or you can keep your hands on one another, whichever is comfortable. Take a nice long deep breath in and slowly go down. Exhale and go down. Feel nice. Push in your lower abdomen. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your breathing normal. Do not hold your breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale and come up. Relax. Now, we'll practice some breathing technique. You can sit in, so this is Swastikasana or regular cross-legged posture. Make sure your spine is straight. So whenever you are doing any pranayama or meditation, your spine should be completely straight. For that, what you can do is just lift yourself up, just adjust your hips and keep your Keep your complete trunk and lower body straight. Now there is one more posture, which is Padmasana. You can sit in Padmasana. So whenever you are in Padmasana, your back automatically becomes straight and you will be in this posture for some time. Also, one more posture. You can sit in Vajrasana and still you can do pranayama. So these are three various postures that you can do or that you can take while you are doing pranayama. Okay. Now I am comfortable in sitting in Padmasana for maybe 5-10 minutes. So I am sitting in Padmasana. Whichever posture is comfortable, you can take that posture. Make sure your back is straight. If you see me, see my back is completely straight. And my shoulders are rolled back. Make a Pranav Mudra or Chin Mudra of your hand. This is also called as Dhyana Mudra, wherein your index finger and thumb are touching each other and just keep them on your knees. You are not keeping your hands like this. You are keeping them on your knees. Okay? Slowly and gently close your eyes. Take a nice long deep breath in and slowly release. Now for next 10 minutes, you are not going to open your eyes. We'll keep them closed. Just listen to my instructions and you will be able to comfortably follow the instructions. Take a nice long deep breath in and slowly and gently release. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now we will inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 6 counts. Let's do it together. Take a nice long deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4 and slowly release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, take a long breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4 and slowly and gently release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4 and slowly exhale. Now while you are exhaling, make sure you are exhaling in a controllable manner. 5, 6. Again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4 and slowly release. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Take a nice long deep breath again and slowly and gently release. Inhale and exhale. We are going to say or practice Omkars now. Do not open your eyes, keep them closed. Be in the same posture as you are. So while doing Omkar, we will inhale nicely and deeply, and while exhaling, we will say Om in three words like A, U and M. So A will be for 2 seconds, U will be for 3 seconds, and M, which will be wherein you feel your vibrations, that will be for 5 seconds. So I will demonstrate it first. You just have to listen to my sound and then we will practice it together. I will start doing it. Inhale. So while exhaling, I pronounced 3 words, A, U and M, wherein M will give you vibrations and you will feel the vibrations in your body maybe in your chest and your brain. So you will just have to feel the vibrations. Let's do it together. 3 omkars, one after another at your own pace. Let's start. Inhale. Inhale completely, nice and full. Relax. Calm down your body. Relax your mind. Slowly and gently, you can rub the palms on one another and place your palms on your face. Just feel the warmth. Now gently, you can open your eyes inside the palms. Keep your palms there on your face. Just open your eyes and slowly take off your hands from face. Nice. So one last thing remaining is we'll just do some stretches. You can sit in Sukhasana. Interlock your fingers. Reverse them. Stretch yourself up. Inhale and stretch. Keep your breathing normal. Stretch yourself completely. Pull yourself up. Now make a namaste of your hands here. And slowly go down. With the exhale, try to touch your head on the ground. Stay here. Inhale and come up. And release your hands. Just move your shoulders. Rotate them. Now forward. Keep your left forearm on the ground. Do not bend forward. Just keep your body straight. Take your right hand up and just stretch. Stretch yourself as much as you can. Give a nice stretch to your right side and a crunch on your left side. Inhale, come up. Exhale, keep your right hand on the ground. Inhale, exhale on your right. Nice stretch, give your body a nice stretch here again. Stay. And inhale, come up. Now, keep your right palm on your left knee. Your left hand, left palm behind your hip. Just twist your upper body. Look back. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come in between. Your left palm on your right knee. Your right palm behind your hips. And just stretch your upper body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Take your right hand up and stretch with your elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Other hand. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Right hand and just stretch it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other hand. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Done. We are done with the session today. Unmute yourself so that we can talk. How are you all feeling?
Good.
Good. थोड़ा सा लाइट लिया आज सेशन मैंने, योगा ज्यादा था, so that साइज की वजह से जिन को थोड़ा सा इशू हुआ, all of them would go. All good?
ठीक है.
Yeah.
हाँ ठीक.
So we are on time today. Everyone enjoyed?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. ठीक है. Let's take a picture. Just come in front of your cameras. I will just take a screenshot. थोड़ा सा फेस और पास में. निवेदिता दी थोड़ा सा आगे आओ ना, कैमरा अपने पास ले लो.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Capture. Yes. Oh, should be done. Yep, one more. Get a big smile on your face. Smile. So we are happy after exercise, right?
Yes. I'm happy I'll have it.
Okay, cool. Thank you. कल मिलते हैं.
Okay, bye.
Training Apurva training.
Training ना.
Bombs बहुत थे.
वही बड़े हैं ना, बैठ के.
बरं ऐक ना ताई.
हाँ.
I can see you.
Okay.
Okay, listen. मी काय म्हणते, आपण जे आसन आणि जे एक्सरसाइज करतो ना रोज, त्याचे फक्त तू नाव टाकू शकते का ग्रुपवर, की म्हणजे आज काय काय केलं आपण.
It takes a lot of time. Sorry.
Okay.
Not to type and do everything. क्योंकि मैंने बहुत रिसर्च करके वो सब कुछ इकट्ठा किया है. And
Okay.
for me again to type for you all and then send it every day, it will eat up a lot of time.
Okay. चालेल.
Anything that you want. बाकी जो भी चाहिए वो पूछो, मैं मुंह से बता दूंगी सब कुछ.
चालेल.
Nupur was saying
Bye.
asana in Vajrasan, and when you are should. Okay. Let's touch. Okay. So what happens is, whenever you're doing sitting in Vajrasana में pick the position. Your hips are between your heels and you are not sitting down. Okay. So this posture, when your toes are touching each other and your hips are between your heels, this is Vajrasana. So when you sit between your heels and in the on the ground, your bum is touching on the ground. So this is a different posture and for a different exercise. So when we are doing this, so वो दूसरा asana है. I don't remember the name of that asana, but it is very rare that we do it. So for Vajrasana, if you ask me, we will sit here, and now when we are going down, suppose your hands are here, when you are going down, your hip will slightly come up and you are not doing this. Okay, you are not doing this, your hip will remain here, you will feel that your bums are still on your heels and you are down. Only then you will feel the, what do we say? Pressure आना चाहिए, जो lower abdomen पे pressure आना चाहिए, only then you will feel it. Otherwise you won't. Okay?
Apurva,
Tell me.
मला धनुरासन होतं ना, पूर्वी मी करत होते, कारण माझ्या हातामुळे ना मला खाली पकडता आलं नाही असं आसन ते.
No problem. हातामुळे जेव्हा if your shoulder is injured, so generally you should take it slow. अगर नहीं आया तो भी चलेगा. In that case, what you can do is just try to touch your calf muscles maybe. जहां तक हाथ आ रहा है वहां पे पकड़ो, यहाँ पे फुट पे, फीट या heels या फिर calf, whichever, and just come up a little. And then slowly you can just move your legs back and then you can come up like this. Okay, pressure mat do zyada shoulder pe. If your shoulder is injured, take care of your shoulder first and then do exercise. Okay, I think.
अपूर्वा, तुला बारीक व्हायला किती वेळ लागला?
मला वेट लॉस करायला जास्त वेळ नाही लागला, पण वेट लॉस करून ते परत वाढायचं. ऍज आय टोल्ड यू, वेट लॉस करून परत वाढायचं. दॅट इज बिकॉज माय ईटिंग हॅबिट्स. मी आधी खूप स्पायसी खात होते. बीइंग इन कोल्हापूर, वी ऑलवेज यूज टू ईट ग्रीन चिलीज अँड स्पायसी फूड. So that was a little problem for me because of my acidic body. So that time I started eating bland food. मतलब जितना हो सकता है उतना कम तीखा खाने का. That helped me. And now I eat everything but in proportion. So I have that thing in my mind for last 5-6 years कि मुझे खाना है but वो proportion control में खाना है. If you see my plate, आज थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बड़ा plate है वो, but then in Pune I have only this much plate. जहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा लेती हूँ, सैलड का पार्ट बहुत ज्यादा होता है मेरा. So weight loss is not a problem. Maintaining it is a problem. Weight loss मैंने actually 2 महीने में 3 महीने में किया था first time. But then again I gained weight because I did fat diet. मैंने GM मोटर डाइट करके ये किया था, weight loss किया था, which did not help me. So that is why I'm saying कि तुम लोग खाओ. मैं अभी प्लान आज देने वाली थी, but आज मैं नहीं दूंगी प्लान आपको because I have heard lot of people telling me कि मुझे थोड़ा सा एक्सरसाइज ज्यादा हुआ है, उसकी वजह से हेडेक हुआ है, या स्पेशली बिगिनर्स जिनको एक्सरसाइज की आदत नहीं है, so they are not able to take it. So if I change the diet completely now, again I'm not changing it, it's just that I'm changing the pattern. तो वो अगर उन्होंने फॉलो किया तो मे बी और प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. So I will not give you a plan today, I will give you a plan tomorrow evening. Okay.
आपण अजून एक क्वेश्चन, एका दिवसात किती कुकुंबर खाऊ शकताय? किती पण?
चालेल. सैलड्स as much as you can चलेगा. कुकुम्बर सबसे बेस्ट खाने के लिए it has lot of water content.
असं नाही की वॉटर म्हणजे बॉडी मध्ये वॉटर अक्युमुलेशन होते असं काही नाहीये ना?
But everything in limit should be done. ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा दिन तुम कुकुम्बर ही खाते रहो. ऐसा तो एक दिन करोगे, 2 दिन करोगे, उसके बाद नहीं कर सकते. तो थिंक फ्रॉम लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव कि मैं ये कैसे मैनेज कर सकती हूँ. अगर 14 डेज में हमने 2 किलोस भी कम कर लिया, कीप ओके, आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू ऑल, कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ योर वेट. कितना है वेट, पहले फर्स्ट डे पे अगर किसी ने वेट किया होगा तो ठीक है. कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ योर वेट. थोड़ा तो कम होना ही चाहिए. अगर वेट इज अ प्रॉब्लम तो आपका इंचेस लॉस तो होगा ही होगा पक्का. सो गारंटी है कि इफ यू आर डूइंग इट एवरीथिंग राइट, इफ यू आर ईटिंग प्रॉपर फूड, मतलब प्रपोर्शन कंट्रोल में अगर खा रहे हो, रेगुलर जितना खा रहे थे उससे हमने कम खाया है ये 14 दिनों में, तो यू विल डेफिनेटली सी द रिजल्ट्स. ओके, ठीक है. चलो 8:05 we are meeting tomorrow at the same time. I have one more question. Okay, just how much I can. Hips touching my heels. I get pressure, but head doesn't touch ground. Nupur, are you still there? Okay. So, की वजह से क्या होता है? You won't be able to touch your head completely on the ground. In this case, make sure your hips are not up. You are, but if you are still okay. You still feel.
आपल्याला लागत नाही, मला माहिती. 2 मिनिट थांब. 2 मिनिट झालं. थांब.
Cool, got it? Cool. Thank you. Thanks for joining.
Bye.
Bye bye. Take care.